Hello everyone, welcome to this next topic of creating tables in Oracle. I hope you have practiced previous topics. Okay, so what we have seen in some previous videos that in RDBMS everything is stored in tables. So a table has two parts. A table has structure, or you can say design or definition or field or columns, which can be seen by describe table name. And in the tables there is data or rows or tuples or records. For example, you have seen select star from table name. Okay, so the next thing is why table. So tables are used to store your application data. For example, your online registration, your ERP data, your table reservation data, your billing data, etc., etc. It is used to generate reports. For example, there can be a travel report, there can be a mark sheet, even your electricity bill. A table can be used to validate a user, etc., etc., etc. There are hundreds of reasons why do we need a table. And in SQL, there are three categories of command: DDL command, DML, and DCL. So, what is DDL? See, DDL is data definition language. Okay, so data definition means anything related to table creation, modification of table, alteration of table, removal of table. They are called as DDL. DML is data manipulation language. Anything related to data, that is insertion of data, deletion of data, view of data, selection of data, modification of data is DML. And data control language related to transaction like commit, rollback, that we will very soon see, commit, rollback, etc. Okay, so till now we have done few DDL commands. I will cover up them one by one as and when they will come. You have to just note them down separately in the copy that which one is DDL and which is DML. Although it is very simple, over the period of time you will remember. Okay, so what is table creation is DDL command. Why? Because I have told you anything related to creation, modification, and alteration of table, deletion of table is called as DDL. Okay, so to create a table, the command is create table, the name of the table, bracket, field name, its data type, comma, second field name, and so on. So first of all, let me show you an example. Let us log in with some user. Maybe let me log in with some user. So we will create table in our newly created user. Okay. And what was our newly created user? Yes. What is the way to know it? Select star from all underscore users. So here we will see the list of the users. Here you can see that I have created that user on 29 July MCA 2020. So I will log in with this user. Okay, so that we can work in this user, and this user is empty. So again, what I will type, let me log in with another one, MCA 2020. Okay, now it is connected. Show user. You can see MC 2020. Select star from tab. You know what will come? Empty. No row selected because this was our new user. So there was no table. Now we will create the table. So what was the syntax? Please note it down very carefully. It is very easy. Create table. So create, anything starting with create is called as DDL. Create table. Let us create simple table. Let us create student. Create table student. Okay. Bracket. Although it is not necessary to give in capital, right now I am giving so that it is more visible. Roll number. Please don't confuse with this number. With this number. Okay. Many students does this mistake. First of all, there is no gap. This roll number is about the field name and number is the data type like int, float, char. Okay. So don't confuse with this roll number. Roll number is the field name, number is the data type, comma, name varchar2. Now, some of you will ask, sir, what is varchar2? We will very soon come to this. Otherwise, you can Google it also. Oracle earlier has varchar, but varchar has certain problem, so it has modified it. Even if you try to give varchar, Oracle will automatically convert it to varchar2. Okay, name, comma, city. Again, varchar2, 10. Bracket, closing bracket, semicolon. So this is what the syntax is. Okay, please be careful about it. Let me copy it in PPT also. Okay, this was the command. Let me press enter. Table created. Now, if there is no error, your table will be created. Now, I hope you are practicing in. Please kindly practice this in your laptop also. Now I will type select star from tab. See, just now I have given select star from tab. There was no row selected, but now you can see a table has been created. This is very important to understand. Earlier, select star from tab was not giving anything because it was new user and no table was created. But now, select star from tab has shown you this student table. Okay. Now, you must be remembering that I have told you that every table has two parts like this. It's a structure, design, definition, fields or column. So let us see the structure of the table. What is the structure? Describe student. So you can see it has roll number, name and city. So this is the structure of the student table. Now if I will now and to see the records of the table, what we have to do? Select star from table name. So I will see the records, select star from student. So what will happen? You know very well what will happen? No rows selected. Why? Because currently the table is blank or empty. Is this thing clear? So to see the structure of the table, you have to see describe. To see the records of the table, you have to see select star from table. Now let me insert one record in it. Okay. So there are different ways to insert record, but as of now for this tutorial, I will just giving you one example. Insert into table name. So what is our table name? Student. Values. What values? Now you can see the order of the column is roll number, name and city. Roll number is of type number. So what I will type anything, 11. Name, name is of type varchar. Now in Oracle, every string is given in single quotes. I will give any name, Kapil, comma. Next is city. So in single quotes, Meerut, semicolon. This single quotes, bracket, semicolon, enter. So what you can see, one row created. It will not be displayed. When it will be displayed, select star from student. So you can see your one record has been entered. Okay. Another, if I try to, I will do copy, paste. Let me do 12, Rohit, Dehradun. Single quotes, bracket, close. One row created. Now again, if I type the same command, you can see now two records have been created. Okay. So please do this as of now. Describe student will always show the structure of the table, whereas select star from table name will show the record of the table. So you can see there are two records at present in the table. So practice this, do it till here, then we will move ahead in other topics in this DDL, DML, DCL. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next video. Thank you.